Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Mini Bowdabra and a tin and create a great little hair bow holder. So let's get started. So the first thing that I've done is we took this it's a cookie holder that we got for the holidays. And all I did was take my Believe in Magic ribbon, and we just pulled it up here, and we took our rhinestones, and we actually used a glue gun to attach this. Whoops, I can't get my Zot off here there. But I'm just going to use a Zot here to show you how we brought it around. And the important thing is we brought this around lower because the cap's going to go on. Now you can store whatever you want inside, and then you have your hair bow holder on the outside. So I'm going to show you how we did that, and I'm going to make the hair bow that we're going to put on the top. So I'm going to take a little piece of Bowdabra bow wire, clip it, lay this down into my Mini Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath. Then what I'm going to do is take my Canada ribbon and scrunch that down in here. And then I'm going to take my Believe in Magic, and I'm going to just take the right side, scrunch that down, and I want to make sure I'm in the center, which I am. And I'm going to just fold this over, and we're just going to make a loopy bow with just 2 loops. And then what I'm going to do is take another piece of my Canada ribbon. I love this with the stars and the sheer. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this ribbon. We're just going to fold it in half. I'm going to find the center. I'm just going to do my little mountain in the middle and scrunch that down. And just in case you're curious, all of the projects and ribbons that we're using in this video, we do have links in the description below. So we're going to just scrunch that down, and then I'm going to take my last piece of Canada ribbon, and we're going to lay that down in here. And I don't know why they call it Canada ribbon, but they do. So we're going to lay this down in here, and then to finish off, this is just a really cute idea, is we're just going to cut a strip. It's about this long, and I'm going to just cut up, not all the way, and this is a trick for making sure that your fold that in half, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're just going to cut these up, so that way I have this one finished, so you don't have to watch me do the whole thing. So that way, when I put it in, it's going to lay the way that I want, and these are just going to sparkle in the bow. So I'm just going to bring this up here, bring this through the slip knot, and pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to separate the ends, and this is just the topper. So you could easily add a ponytail holder or a clip and turn this into a hair bow, but we're just using it as decoration on top of our hair bow holder. So I'm going to put everything aside, and I'm going to bring back my hair bow holder, and I'm going to use my trusty Zots again. So I'm going to add a Zot. Now again, you can use a glue gun to really put it on there, and we're just going to, let's just separate out my loops, and I'm just going to use my Zot, put this on the top so it gives you a cute little topper. And then what I'm going to do is take all of my bows, and you've got 4 strips, so you can put quite a few hair bows on here, and clip this on here, and take this little hair bow, and we just clip that here, and take this one, and we'll just clip it there. So now you have an adorable hair bow holder with a place to store whatever you want on the inside. I want to thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.